Hello there. Now, who thought I'd be making a video about scissors? But there you go, these things happen, don't they? Who remembers these blue IKEA scissors? I think everybody. We used to buy them, didn't we, in the 90s and the 2000s, and they were like dead cheap. Everybody had them everywhere. Everyone had about 10 pairs all around the house and at work, and they were great. And like ours now are falling to bits a little bit, and I tried to get some recently a few times, well, past couple of years, every time I've popped into IKEA. You look around and they say, oh, they finished them, they're discontinued. And then a few months ago, I heard through the grapevine that they were back. And I whipped down my local IKEA and I said, oi, how about these scissors, are they back? They said, yeah, well, they are, but they're green now, but they've changed colour and they're green, but we ain't got none, because they've all sold out. I went, oh, fantastic. So I went back two or three more times, actually, as I was passing, and eventually I got some. And then I thought to myself, I need to go back and get some more of these. Who knows when they're going to run out again? Because I do know that from the COVID days, IKEA had really big supply chain problems, and they ended up discontinuing a lot of stuff when they were struggling with containers from China, where all this stuff's made, and things like that. Anyway, I went back again, and finally I got some, and here they are. They're pretty much the same. Well, they are the same as the old ones. They're just in kind of a pale green colour now, so hey, they're back. So I thought to myself, because I like these, it's one of them daft little things, I like them. So I thought, we'll have a load of them and we'll stick them on the shop in case anybody can't get to an IKEA or they're not near one, and even if no one buys any, it doesn't matter, I'll have a lifetime supply, won't I? Went back again, gone. Well, anyway, we had something to do in Sweden. And we drove over there and we were going through Sweden and there's an IKEA. I thought, ooh. So I whipped in for a quick look and they had them in stock in Sweden. So I bought bloody loads of them. And that's why they're on our shop. So if you don't fancy trailing around your local IKEA over 3 floors and queuing at the checkouts and navigating the car park and having your car scratched like they did to mine on one occasion, only to find out they haven't got any, well, now we've got them. They're here, they're on our shop. UK stock, and you can have them with Royal Mail Track 48 within a couple of days. You'll have them. So thanks for watching. So if you want the blue IKEA scissors, they're now green and they're back. See you next time, and check the other videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe.